Now we are looking at examples where we are using these literals that we are discussing from last few videos. Let's say first, John covers x centimeters. John covers x centimeters in one step. So how many centimeters does he cover in 9 steps? So what we have given, John covers x centimeters in one step. So how many centimeters? 1 centimeter in one step. How many centimeters does he cover in 9 steps? That's the question. So with using literals, how we can solve this, or how we can give an answer in a generalized way that will be true for all the numbers substituted in that. Let's say what we have is distance covered in one step. It is x centimeters. That is the distance covered in one step. Hence, for 9 steps, we will write down as 9 times x centimeters. So distance covered for 9 steps will be 9x. That is the answer of this question. It is in the form of literals. If we substitute any number here at the x, it will come true, or it will the condition will stand true for all these numbers. Now second, let's say Rohan spends rupees x daily and saves rupees y per week. So what is his income after 3 weeks? What will be his income? And we have given that income is equals to expenditure, what we spent plus savings. This is given to us. So let's think first. Pause for a moment. So what we have given is, we have given about two things. First is daily and another is weekly. What we have given is daily spending, how it is spending daily and how it is saving weekly. So first we need to calculate the spending for how many weeks, because we have asked, the given is for 1 week, but we have asked for 3 weeks. So we need to calculate spending for 3 weeks. So as spending is in terms of daily, we need to convert 3 weeks into daily. Means what? 3 weeks, 7 days in a week. So 7 into 3, total 21 days. So 21 days is equivalent to 3 weeks. Means 3 weeks have 21 days. So in the form of daily, what we can say is Rohan spends X rupees X daily. So for 21 days spending will be, or you can say expenditure, it will be 21 times X, that is rupees 21x, that will be its spending or expenditure. Now we have calculated things for daily. Now we have to look for savings, which is weekly. So Rohan saves rupees Y per week. So in 3 weeks Rohan will have rupees 3 times Y is equal to rupees 3Y. So that will be his savings for 3 weeks. So what we have calculated, the spending for 3 weeks in terms of days is 21x, and saving, that is this expenditure, and the saving is for 3 weeks is 3y. So 21 days is equivalent to 3 weeks. So we can add these similar properties or similar quantities. So income, what we have calculated, income, what we have given is income is equal to expenditure plus saving. So expenditure is 21x plus saving is 3y. So the answer would be rupees 21x plus 3y. That's the addition of that. So answer of this is, what is the income after 3 weeks? So this is the income after 3 weeks, 21x plus 3y. Let's take one more example. We are looking at how literals are used to solve the problems. Let's say Raj starts from Delhi at 8 a.m. to where he is going? To Jaipur, Pink City. If his car is running, if his car is running at the speed of x kilometer per hour, and at 1 p.m. he observes that he is 20 kilometer away from Jaipur. So this is given. Based on that, find the distance between Delhi to Jaipur. Based on the given information, we have to find the distance between Delhi and Jaipur. So let's say distance formula is given. Distance is equals to speed into time. So what we have given, time is given as 8 a.m. At a.m. he starts, at 1 p.m. he looks that he notices that he is 20 kilometers away from Jaipur. So 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. how many hours? 5 hours. That is given. Then speed is given. How much speed is? X kilometer per hour. So here we can calculate distance. Distance is equals to speed into time. So is equal to 5x kilometers. That is the distance at this point of traveling. And what he does at 1 p.m., that is after 5 hours, he observes that 20 kilometers away, means 20 kilometers still way to go to Jaipur. Means we have to go more 20 kilometers than he was there at the time of 1 p.m. So what is the distance at 1 p.m.? It is 5x, and we have to go 20 kilometers more or 20 kilometers ahead, means we will add 20 kilometers. So the total distance from Delhi to Jaipur would be 5x plus 20. 5x plus 20 kilometers.